Good afternoon. Yeah, it is like almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I say, yeah. Who am I talking to? I'm talking to all our friends. Yeah. Oh, she says every time you start a video, I should get a treat. There we go. I just fed her. Anyway, tonight I am gonna do something pretty easy. 3-4 ingredients: ramen, steakums, and brown gravy. So this was on my meal plan a couple of weeks ago, the one that I didn't do any of it. So I'd already bought this and the brown gravy. So that's what's for dinner tonight. And I don't know if y'all have ever used this. It says it's 100% beef. And if you look at the ingredients, I need my glasses, because I was thinking, I don't know about this kind of stuff. Ingredients, beef. That's it. So it's 100%. It says it's all sliced. I've used this once before, but because I think I made a sandwich like that. But it's 100% all beef sliced steaks, chopped, shaped, thinly sliced. And it says to cook it when it's frozen. So, cooking instructions, cook frozen. So, that's what we're going to do. I just took it. Talk about, if you forget to thaw something out, you should always have these in your freezer. Very thin, sliced pieces of steak. I think steak. But you can see how thinly sliced they are. I only got paper in between them. Interesting. Well, I'm going to throw them in a pan and I'm going to cook them. So this is something that I've never used before. Ghee. And it is melted, and it says it does not need to be refrigerated. No refrigeration required. Can be placed in refrigerator if harder consistency is desired. So this is a good thing to have in your pantry, shelf stable, like butter. It's clarified butter, but it is, I've had it for a while, July 23rd, 25. So I need to use this up. So I'm going to put some of this in the pan. I'm going to get the ramen in this pan with some water and get it boiling. I'm not going to use the beef packet, just using the noodles. And then I'll add the brown gravy to that, add the meat to that, stir it all up, and call it dinner. And I think I might use just some minced onions. I'm not even going to take the time to chop some onions. So this is going to be an easy meal tonight. Let's get it started. You know what this smells like? This ghee, it smells like popcorn butter that you get like at the movie theater. Yeah. All right, let's pour some in the pan. In the pan. You just didn't try to do that, did you? You wanted to taste the butter too, didn't you? Okay, not really sure how much to use. That much? Got the water in the pan. Little sheet of beef. Alright, I'm going to get it all in the pan so it'll cook evenly. Okay, I added the meat, the beef to the ramen noodles. And that's only half the meat because Deborah didn't want ramen noodles, so I gave her the just the beef and gravy with a little salad. So I'm gonna put some water in here and thin this out a little bit. Okay, kind of reminds me of beef stroganoff. It This is an easy beef stroganoff. Yeah, it looks good. And I actually like the meat to noodle ratio because I'm not a big meat eater. So I'd rather have the carbs. Yeah, I could never do keto or gotta have my carbs. Alright. I'm just heating this back up. And I'm gonna make me a little salad to go with it. And that's what's for dinner. So there's my ramen beef noodles, salad, and a jalapeno out of my garden. Alright, let's taste it. It looks really good. Sammy says I gotta get a drink. Never eat the spaghetti on camera. Mmm. That is really good. Boy, and so easy. That's good. Y'all gotta try this. Mmm. I really like that. It's hot. And of course, I know the salad's good. Oh, and a bite of my jalapeno. I already took a little bite. Good stuff. All right, I'm going to get off here and go eat.